Hi guys, another look at this LED clock fan. Keep getting comments. One of the comments was, rather than trying to speed up the frame rate on the camera, how about going the other way, slow-mo? So I'll do a couple of slow-mo pictures of it, see what effect that has. Don't get any audio on slow-mo, so that's what we're going to do anyway. Right, that was a couple of clips slow-mo. There was slow-mo and super slow-mo. I'll just see if I can do anything at, I think this will be at 30 frames per second at the moment, so I'll see if I can do 60 frames per second, if I can figure out how to do that. I just turned off at video stabilization, see if that made any difference. Just turn video stabilization back on again. No, I don't think we've got any difference there at all. Well, that was a bit of a waste of time there. I don't have the option to film at 60 frames per second with this camera. This is my Samsung Galaxy A51 5G. It's just 30 frames per second. I had it in the back of my mind it would do 60 frames, but obviously not. Or not that I can find going through the menu. So that's it. Slow-mo and super slow-mo don't seem to do what we need them to do. Check the video description because I also mention rolling shutter effect, which is the way that digital cameras scan the picture. When they make a picture, they start top left and do lines working their way left to right and down the screen. So don't know how many lines it does, but the effect that has is if what you want to take a picture of is in the bottom right of the screen, it might miss it because it starts off in the top left. Particularly noticeable if you take pictures of things like propellers or windmills. So check the video description, there's a link to a video on that subject by Matt Parker. I was trying to think of his name. Yeah, he does maths stuff, but he actually did a good video on the rolling shutter effect. That'll do. Hopefully we won't do any more videos on this. I just remembered I took some still images as well, so I'll put those on at the end of the video so you can have a look at the still pictures. Photos. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.